What happened with Tesla?
Let's go. Very interesting movement that we're experiencing right now. The price was trading inside this green box. In our last video, we were talking about the possibility of the breakout. It happened to the downside, and after the retest, we had a downside movement, but not as strong as it should have been if we were in a bearish market. So we saw the consequent upside movement right here in this trading channel, and then the situation right now is similar, but in the opposite direction. We are heading to lower levels right now. Do you think it will continue or will it reverse? Let us know in the comments, subscribe, and let's get started.
So we recommend you to focus on this area. You know, Tesla is trading around between 220 or 210 and 173. So what we can tell guys is like we need to see a breakout in one of these sides. You know, if it goes about 210. That's good. We could see like new highs again, a new uptrend. But also, you know, if it goes below this area, this green line that we have here, wow, this could be like a downtrend, like that could be huge. You know, it could go back to the previous lows when it was trading at 100. So very important area to look at. You know, we have the indicator activated. We have the auto anchor volume profile. So here you can configure this indicator. We have set this up to the length of 120 and the anchor period of the lowest low. So you can see the last trading days, the volume that we have around all these months of 2023.
Yeah, exactly. And also we have the earnings very soon. That would be key in my opinion. And we have to take into account that for swing traders and intraday traders, we have plenty of opportunities for Tesla. You can see these trading channels. For instance, we could see something like this, the breakout on the upside, then another movement to the downside, or we could continue going lower, then buying here could be a nice opportunity, or we could see, as you mentioned, the breakout of this level, and we could see the reverse of the previous uptrend that we had right here during January and February 2023. That what is key in my opinion is to keep focused, you know, to analyze the chart very closely, to see all the details and not to miss those earnings, because I think that with those results the volatility will be huge.
Yeah, the upcoming earnings, is the most important thing right now that we have to take, that we have to look out. So here we have the fundamentals. We go to more technicals. Here we have the technicals. Obviously, we have the sell neutral. So not very optimistic on this one, you know. But also we take a look at the fundamentals, the more financials. Here you can see the earnings, you know, the estimate, and it doesn't look bad, but I don't agree with this. You know, in my opinion, if we think about it, we have a lot of, a lot of competition right here in the coming years. They are going to release BMW. We have the Mercedes-Benz. They are creating EVs, which is, the competitors. You know, this is like some sort of luxury cars, not so luxury if you compare it to Ferrari, but I think this is the competitors that I have. So in my opinion, I think it won't be like as good as expected, you know, because in the coming years, all makes will have a lot of EVs in the market.
Yeah, exactly. We have to take that also into account, that the competence would be huge, and also applying technical analysis, in my opinion, is fundamental within fundamental analysis also, you know. So right now, keep focused on day trading and swing trading if you have that experience. And for long-term traders, personally, I would wait, as you mentioned, for a clear breakout of these levels in this channel, and also a clear breakout of this green line right here or the red line right there. Be careful with false breakouts, because in the past we saw one right here and we could see another one, and if we see the breakout to the upside, I think we could visit new highs again. But in my opinion, that is something that we cannot say right now. We have to wait and see. So keep tuned, subscribe below, and welcome to Trading HD.
Bye bye.
Have a nice weekend.